Okay, Sophia. Question 1. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Alright, so over here for these types of question class, they didn't mention about you need to find annual saving. They didn't ask you to find it in yearly. So what you should do, you just do it on monthly. Why monthly? Because this one is on the monthly basis. Okay, but you have to identify which one is the breakdown cost, which one is the maintenance cost. Okay, over here in the one sentences over here, they mention the RM300 in service expenses, which is breakdown cost. Kenapa cakap breakdown cost dalam ayat yang sama? Okay, and then they mention the one alternative to purchase a service contract for preventive maintenance. Okay, Haris, even if Haris and Son hire a contractor for the preventive maintenance, there will still be breakdown, averaging one breakdown per month. Although they do the preventive maintenance, breakdown will happen once. Okay, averaging one breakdown per month. The price for this service is actually referring to the preventive maintenance, okay, which is around 130 per month. So question, should Haris and Son hire the maintenance service firm? Okay, Sophia. Mm-hmm. Okay, right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, but actually kalau nak jadikan dia nombor bulat, this one is 1 lah. Okay, probability dia equal to 1, tak apa. Just buat je macam ni. Okay, next what you should do? Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Okay, very good. Next. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, very good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Okay, kalau dia kata averaging of 3, so what you should do? Okay, multiply with 3. Kalau dia kata and then there is guarantee of no breakdown. So kalau no breakdown, this one, okay, darab dengan 0. So you need to understand the sentences given. Okay, class? Do you clear? Okay, good. Next, proceed, Sophia. Okay, sebabnya actually dekat dalam you punya ni, dia suruh kira saving, right? Okay, so just, okay, you need to calculate the saving. So just kira saving and then your conclusion. Okay, proceed, Sophia. Mm-hmm. Okay, good. So then kalau dia tanya berapa saving, you mention lah. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Sophia. Tadi tak tak record Okay, alright. So the next question number 2. Okay, thank you, Sophia. Question number 2, who wants to volunteer? Mention your name, please. Who wants to volunteer for question number 2?
Chelsea, madam.
Siapa Jasri? Kejap. Okay, Jasri.
Samasa Travel Services has experienced the indicated number of breakdowns per month in its automated reservation processing system over the past 2 years. Each breakdown cost the firm an average of 280 ringgit for a cost of 150 ringgit per month. STS could have engaged a data processing firm to perform preventive maintenance contract arrangement, which is guaranteed to limit the breakdown to an average of 1 per month. No charge will be made for any breakdown exceeding this limit. Which maintenance arrangement is preferable from a cost standpoint, the current breakdown policy or a preventive maintenance?
Alright. So over here, they mentioned the breakdown cost is RM 280 and the cost of 150 per month. Okay. STS could have engaged a data processing firm to perform preventive maintenance contract agreement, which arrangement which is guaranteed to limit the breakdown to an average of 1 per month. Okay, so 150 here is your preventive maintenance, okay, with 1 breakdown, average of 1 breakdown. Okay, no charges will be made if any breakdown exceed this limit, which is 1. So question over here, you need to choose, okay, either the current breakdown policy or the preventive maintenance contract agreement. Okay, of course, when you're talking about cost, you must choose the lowest cost. Over here also, they didn't mention about anything about annually. So, you just give it in months. Okay, tak perlu nak cari annually. Okay, so how you solve the question, Jazri?
Okay, so first kita kira probability. Number of
Okay.
month bahagikan dengan total of month tu. So first dapat 0.483 and then 0.333, 0.417, 0.125,
Okay.
0.042. Tambahkan dapat 1.
Okay.
And then kira expected number per month. Number of breakdown darabkan dengan probability tadi. So
Okay.
first dapat 0, 0.333, 0.834, 0.375, 0.168. Tambahkan dapat 1.71.
Okay, 1.01 times. Okay. Next.
And then kita kira cost of breakdown maintenance, expected number of breakdowns darab cost of breakdown. So
Okay.
jawapan tadi 1.71 darabkan dengan figure dekat soalan tu, dia kata 280 untuk cost of breakdown.
Okay.
So dapat RM478.80 per month.
Okay, good.
And then kira cost of preventive maintenance. Cost of preventive maintenance tambahkan dengan cost of breakdown darab average breakdown expected.
Okay.
So ambil figure dekat soalan RM150, tambahkan dengan cost tadi 280 darab dengan 1 je. So dapat RM430 per month.
Okay.
And then kita comparekan. So boleh buat kesimpulan preventive maintenance is preferable sebab cost dia lower.
Okay, so preventive maintenance, a contract is preferred because it has the lowest cost. Alright, so how much is the saving? Savingnya berapa?
RM48.80.
Okay, so RM48.80. So kena kat sini atas ni saving lah.
Okay.
Okay, minus, so you get over here 48.80. Okay, very good. Thank you, Jasri. Do you have any question, class? Regarding this question number 2, Samosa travel. Okay.
No, madam.
All right. Thank you for responding. Okay, the next question number 3. Who wants to volunteer?
Aidil Ikmal, madam.
Aidil Ikmal, jap ya. Okay, Aidil.
The table below catalogs the maintenance record of printing machine at Fine Print Limited over the past 20 months. Fine Print Limited suffered a cost of RM750 each time a machine breaks down. Recently, the maintenance department has proposed a scheduled preventive maintenance scheme to overcome the machine breakdown problem. This new scheme will cost the company $24,000 per year. Should Fine Print Limited undertake the preventive maintenance scheme?
Alright, so this question is totally different compared to the first 2 questions. Right, why? Because over here they mentioned, okay, Fine Print Limited suffers a cost of RM750 each time the machine breakdown. So this is breakdown cost. Recently, the maintenance department has proposed a scheduled preventive maintenance scheme to overcome the machine breakdown problem. This new scheme will cost the company RM24,000 per year. So it means that the preventive maintenance scheme dia bagi dalam bentuk setahun 24,000 per year. So when you need to compare, basically you need to compare apple dengan apple. Cannot compare apple with orange. Right? So this one preventive maintenance per year. So it means that you have to find the breakdown cost per year. Okay, the question given, should Fine Print Limited undertake the preventive maintenance scheme? Okay, so how you solve the question, Aidil? Okay. Aidil?
Firstly, kita cari probability dia. So, number of breakdown kosong, probability dia 0.1, 1 0.1, 2 0.25, 3 0.2, 4 0.25, and 5 0.1, and the total will be 1.
Okay, good.
Lepas tu number of breakdown expected per month. 0.1 darab 0 equal 0, 0.1 darab 1 equal 0.1, 0.25 darab 2 0.5, 0.2 darab 3 equal 0.6,
Okay.
0.25 darab 4 equal 1, and 0.1 darab 5 equal 0.5. The total will be 2.7 times.
Alright, okay, good.
And then kita kira dia punya cost of breakdown maintenance equal to expected number of breakdown per month per year times cost of breakdown maintenance equal to 2.7 times RM750 equal to RM2,035 per month and equal to RM24,300 per year.
Okay, so kalau face to face lah kan, face to face, you kena letak per year macam mana dapat this one. Tapi this one final exam you tak ada tunjukkan working, right? So tak perlulah. Tapi kalau misalnya kata face to face, ni you kena tunjukkan this one is per month. Kalau untuk cari per year sama dengan RM 2025 multiply with 12 months per year. So you dapat this figure. Okay? This one tak perlulah. Tapi kalau face to face, kena tunjuk jalan. Alright, okay, proceed ID Kemal.
And then the cost of preventive maintenance, sebab dia tak ada mention guarantee breakdown apa semua. So dia punya breakdown is kosong. And so tak payah darab apa-apa, ambil daripada soalan, dia punya cost ialah RM24,000 per year.
Very good. Okay. Next.
And then the savings, kita compare by calculating the savings. So RM24,300 solat RM24,000 equal to RM300 per year.
Okay.
And then Funfair Limited should choose preventive maintenance as the cost is lower than breakdown maintenance by RM300 per year.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you Adil. Okay, the last question, question number 4. Who wants to volunteer? This question, actually, you have 3 options. What I mentioned 3? The first one is breakdown maintenance. The second one is preventive maintenance, which we have 2 options of the preventive maintenance. Option workshop A and workshop B. So the total together, how many options you have? 1, 2, 3. 3 options. Right, so who wants to volunteer for the last question over here? The last question.
Saya, Madam Farwaida.
Sekejap, Farah.
Baca soalan
Ah,
Limo Studios member height provides vehicle for wedding occasion. Currently, it owns 5 limousines that have reached their 5-year useful life. LSSB know that its limo will soon require high maintenance costs. It has several options under consideration. A. Adopt breakdown maintenance. Each breakdown will cost LSSB RM600 on average. B. Adopt preventive maintenance offered by two workshop. Workshop A and Workshop B.
Okay.
Step 1 dia, frequency of occurrence ataupun probability dia dah bagi. So saya saling je balik dalam kotak. So saya terus kira expected number of breakdown per month dia.
Okay.
Untuk yang first dapat kosong sebab kosong darab 0.2. Yang satu tu dapat 0.1, yang dua dapat 0.4, tiga dapat 0.9, 4 dapat 0.8. So saya tambahkan dia dapat total 2.2.
Okay, very good,
2.2
Farah.
times. Lepas tu step ketiga dia cari determine the cost of breakdown maintenance dia. So expected number of breakdown dia 2.2 times multiplied by RM600. Dia punya cost of breakdown kita dapat RM1,320 per month.
Okay, good.
Lepas tu step number 4, determine the cost of preventive maintenance dia. Saya cari untuk workshop A dulu. So cost of preventive maintenance per day dia dah bagi 1,700. Lepas tu kita tambahkan dengan 600 dia punya cost of breakdown darab average breakdown expected. Kosong.
Kenapa kosong?
Sebab dia tak ada bagi pun.
Okay, because they mention over here with a guarantee of no breakdown. Betul tak? So tak ada breakdown lah. So 1,700
So
only.
dapat 1,700 balik.
Okay, good. Next.
Lepas tu untuk workshop B, dia bagi RM300 per limo untuk dia punya cost of preventive maintenance per day tu. Lepas tu tambahkan dengan cost of breakdown dia 600 darab the average breakdown expected dia 1 per 5 per limo juga. Lepas tu kita akan dapat 420. 420 tu per limo. So dia ada 5 limo darabkan dengan 5 dapat 2,100 per month.
Okay, ataupun actually cost of this one 300 is what?
Cost of preventive maintenance.
Okay, cost of preventive maintenance 300 per limo. How many limos you have? Currently it owns 5 limousines, right? Betul tak? So kalau student, kalau you didn't read the sentences over here that actually they have 5 limos, this one you tak boleh nak jawab. Tapi actually kalau you faham dekat sini, this understood lah. Faham ke kelas? Kelas? Okay, 300 per limo. So over here actually 300 per limo maksudnya you ada 5 limo, so you terus multiply dekat sini aja terus, Farah.
Okay, madam.
Tak salah tapi actually because dia kata per limo, right? Okay, and then kebarang kalian berlakunya breakdown adalah berapa? Dia kata with a minimum of 1/5 breakdown per limo. How many limo you have? 1/5 multiply with 5. Betul tak? Kita ni dah buang lah.
Betul, madam.
Kat sini. Okay. So 1/5. Okay. You multiply with 5. Ni dia terus buat macam ni lah. So 1/5 multiply with 5. Okay. So times dengan 600. Sekejap. Saya padam biar dia nampak lagi ni. Okay. You have breakdown cost which is 600. Okay, you multiply with probability 1/5 darab dengan you have 5, 5. Pap, buang-buang, you tinggal 600. This one 300 times 5. Okay, so 1,500 plus with 600. Faham ke kelas ni?
Faham, madam.
Okay, so you will get your answer how much, Farah?
2,100 per month.
Okay, very good. Okay, then proceed.
Lepas tu step nombor 5, compare the cost and make decision. Breakdown maintenance kita RM1,320. Preventive maintenance workshop A kita RM1,700. Workshop B kita RM2,100.
Okay. So which one you
So,
choose when you are talking about
Kita akan
cost?
pilih the lowest cost. Decision dia choose breakdown maintenance because the cost is lower than preventive maintenance workshop A and preventive maintenance workshop B.
Okay, very good. And then how about the saving? How you get the saving?
Saving
How
tu
much
kita
is
kena
the
ambil
saving?
yang nilai
Paling
tinggi
tinggi?
tolak rendah tu madam?
Yes,
2,100 tolak 1,320 lah Dapat 780.
Okay, very good. Okay, so the saving is RM780. Okay. Are you clear, class, for this question?
Clear, madam.
Okay. How about the rest? Do you have any question to ask me regarding these types of question? Soalan ni sedikit unik lah. Kenapa? Sebabnya they give you 3 option over here. Breakdown cost, breakdown maintenance, and also 2 option for the preventive maintenance. So you have to read carefully. If you didn't read carefully over here, actually they have LSSB have 5 limousine. Dekat sini dah salah dah. Kenapa? Biasanya this is actually the final exam questions. Okay, what did the student did? Basically, they forget to multiply over here 5 and also multiply over here 5. Dia ambil this one and then they just buat 600 multiply with 1/5 but not multiply another 5 limos. Remember this question they have 5 limos, so you kena darab dengan 5 limos. Okay, kelas, boleh ke? Okay, saya. Dah kecil lah. Yelah. Maksudnya antara kos-kos yang dekat sini you can sebab dia ada 3 option kan. So yang tinggi tolak yang rendah lah. Dekat mana dia? Sebabnya dia ada 3 option. Sebab ni 3 option yang you macam keliru sikit kan. Kalau 2 option, mudahlah sebabnya antara 2 option tu hanya daripada preventive dengan breakdown sahaja. Preventive ada 1 option, breakdown memang 1 option je. Betul tak? Kalau 2 option saja, maksudnya breakdown dengan preventive. So maksudnya besar tolak kecil. Sebab tu dah dekat sini, you punya conclusion tak semestinya you akan guna preventive maintenance. Tapi dalam case LSSB ni, the breakdown cost is much more cheaper compared to if you applying the preventive maintenance cost. Betul tak? Soalan ni macam ada twist sedikit. Menjawab soalan tak? Menjawab soalan you tak? Faham ke? Alright, okay. Anything else? Any question?
No, madam.
Alright, so tomorrow kita akan buat revision sikit dan juga I akan tunjukkan you soalan untuk final assessment from the previous 2 sem. Okay? Class, see you again tomorrow. Okay, don't forget to submit your assignment, yeah? Alright, okay, thank you so much. Okay, don't forget to sign your future. Okay, take care and stay safe. Thank you, class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, madam.
Most welcome. Okay, most welcome.